So the key here is to drop the rear of the transmission down so you'll be able to have more room and get the extensions up in there. So drop the rear cross member first, and then you'll get some extensions on, and I'll show you what that looks like right here.
Okay, so here's another view of what I had to do to get to the top bolts. You have your 13mm socket at the top, a U-joint, and then 2 extensions, and then you're basically ratcheting it from back here. That's the only way I could really find to get to those top bolts, and that's also the way that I've done it on my Mustangs in the past. But anyway, that's my trick to get into the top bolts. But you basically have to come over the whole transmission and ratchet from back here in order to get those top bolts out.
Now, sometimes you can get to the top bolts from the engine bay, as where these arrows are showing. It's a real tight fit on the modular engines, especially the dual overhead cam engines, but you can sometimes get a bendable head wrench down there from this way too. So you can try putting your hands in that way, but I don't think you'll really have too much luck unless it's on an older 5.0 or some of the other V6 engines or some other engines on a different car. Now on the 03-04 Cobras with the T56 6-speed transmission, it's a little different. You don't necessarily have to remove the bell housing bolts. You can remove the center section of the transmission first and then the bell housing later. So it'll look like this without the bell housing on it, and that's how you can remove it. So you don't necessarily have to do it on the T56. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and check the video description where I have the full videos on how to remove and replace the transmission and the clutch. As always, thanks for watching.